Greetings everyone! Today you'll see how we put up all this beautiful siding.
We're using a system manufactured by Kebony. Their wood siding is routed on the back so it clips into the aluminum rails. This produces a drainage channel between the siding and the insulation to allow it to dry out if it ever got wet. We were drawn to the sustainability aspect of Kebony, but we also discovered that it's really easy to work with. You can rip it and cross-cut it without treating the cut edges, and the color of the wood is the same all the way through. Installing the boards is literally a snap. Unfortunately, we have to pre-drill all of the holes. We're talking thousands of holes, every 6 to 8 inches. After this torture session is over, we'll use 6-inch screws to mount the rails over the 3-inch insulation board. Thousands of screws, every 6 to 8 inches. Maybe the most frustrating part of the whole business is ensuring all of the rails are level and plumb. All of the clips have to be perfectly aligned or the boards won't snap into place. Our insulation boards give a little bit, so that makes it even more difficult. It's a hellish experience to remove a board if one of the clips is out of alignment. To fix it, you basically have to cut the board off the wall. After we get the hang of things, though, it's smooth and fast. Preparation is 90% of the work. The siding is the easy part. The finished wall is smooth and beautiful.
It starts out looking like walnut, and we're told that over the years it should fade to a gray golden color, sort of like cedar. It's rot resistant and should last 30 to 50 years. In case you're wondering how we used custom window flashing to hide the edges of the insulation and siding, here's a before and after. I like the flashing details we came up with. It's amazing what you can learn on the internet.